All right, let's learn how to split a text into multiple columns or multiple ways. So currently we are starting to do with the old school approach. If you're not familiar with this, then it's a good starting point. If you're already aware of, then you'll be learning something new. So what we technically do when we have to split a text, let's say account underscore A1, B1, C11, what we do is usually copy this. Let me do it here. Go select the entire column, click on data, text to columns, delimited, next, and you will be selecting the underscore here and then probably something like that. So what does this do? It will split your columns, one column into multiple ones, although it did not do for the last, but we'll manage that sometime later. Okay, I'm going to delete this. So there is another way to do it. So if I have to press Ctrl Z and then come back to my original position, so there is a different way to do it. And that's something like using find and find text. So I need to find underscore. I did such different pattern here. So we need to find underscore and anything after that. Within this starting number one, and that's something in 8 character. And then what we do is mid of this comma starting number is underscore, and then I'm going to say anything after that, let's say 50 characters, but still I get an underscore. So what I need to do, add one to the mid function so that I get a clean nice way of anything which is after underscore, right? Okay, so most of you are familiar with text to columns and also this method of using the mid function. Today we are going to learn something new. Let me move to a different sheet and with a different color so that it differentiates what we are doing. So there are two things. One, I need to get any string which is before underscore, or I need to get everything which is after the underscore. Definitely you can use the left, mid or right function to get that, but there's an easy way or a simple way to do that. That is called text function. So let me say anything before and then I want anything after a specific delimiter. Let me enlarge these columns and the formula is text before and text after. Let's start with text before. So it asks for text, delimiter, instance number, match, match n if not found. So let's not get into the complexity of it for this video. We'll just want what is that which is before an underscore, which is an account in all the cases. So what I'm going to do, select the text, comma, and what is the delimiter? Delimiter, I'm going to put it under quotes as an underscore, close parenthesis, and that's it. You get everything which is before an underscore. Let's say, let's try to see if this really works. There you go. So it does work. Now the next thing is I need to get anything after a specific delimiter, and in this case it's again an underscore. So going with the same formula, equal to text after this particular text, comma, and the delimiter is the same underscore. There you go. A1, B1, C11, AD, and then A1 again. So if I have to add as many as I can, so it'll automatically pick everything that we are looking for. So it's basically a very simple formula, text before and text after. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.